And we're back to learning CapCut in year day 86. Let me show you the text style presets. We'll add a default text, under text, add text. Just click on the plus sign. Make sure it's activated in the timeline, then you can change it right there in the preview window. Let me call that presets. And you know that you've got it selected properly when you see text basic at the top right. Just scroll down a little bit. There are preset styles, not that many, but it's an easy one-click option. And you can see, depending on what you pick here, this simply activates all of these parameters that we've talked about in the last couple of videos. So the first one here was a glow, second a simple background adjustment. This one right here should be a shadow. And at the top left, you can get rid of the style preset. So when you activate these, you simply can scroll down and make further adjustments here, for example, for the shadow color, if you want that. So if you just want to have a quick text style, it's not a bad option to try. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.